MR2 right now and the black GTST.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna sell my house to buy a couple cars.
So you always say we never have cars for sale. We never have anything. You always get mad at us. Got cars, can't get mad now.
I knew it. I was just like waiting. I was like, they're all here. I was like, I'm not.
Man. We tried. It's alright, man. We got you though.
We're gonna get you.
Don't do it. It's too early, man.
I got the bottom.
I just wanted to see what's going on.
Oh yeah.
Got a little filming going on
Coming for the
here.
commercial.
Nice,
Yep,
nice.
putting some stuff
Little
together.
coilover action going on.
Right. Definitely want to get that.
Yeah,
Those are not
suspension,
tight.
engine,
Getting some of the key stuff.
polishing,
We got a full shop, so.
washing,
Yes, sir.
detailing. So, Josh, what do you got going on here?
Putting in a power steering cooler.
I see this, I see this, I see it's a Setrab. Why did we put this in here?
Because when we had it running for a while, we noticed that the reservoir was super hot. We had taken out the factory cooler and didn't think about it, and the way the lines ran with the factory stuff, it put it right by the exhaust, so it was baking the oil that was going into the rack. So essentially we got it routed a little differently, and then we put the cooler in it to keep it that much cooler, so we deal with it overheating.
So it was going from over, let this adjust. Okay. So it was coming from here, right?
This top one.
The top one, okay.
It came down and ran across here. As you can see, the dump tube for the wastegate was hitting right on it, and then running up here by the exhaust.
This is the main culprit right here. It was going out, running right by the downpipes and just basically baking that line right there and making the fluid really super hot. So we rerouted it towards the front here, put it in this cooler, and it's gonna come out here, and you're gonna run it along here.
Yeah, I've got the bolt hole here. I'll run it here, grab another one here, and run it straight up into the reservoir we got in the new place now.
Nice. So on Y32, the fortunes come. Is this a front or is that a rear?
This is a rear. Here, I'll open up the front.
Open up a front.
So with these, you actually have to cut the back of the spindle and knuckle and weld that into place here.
So you cut this off here,
Yep.
and
Make
then
sure
this
you have it
slips
aligned
in
right.
here and welds in.
Yep.
Right there.
Well, it's that side, but yeah.
Yeah.
Here, pop your bubbles.
Ooh. This is a really nice dark gray Cedric that will be available soon. We're putting the coilovers on. We got the front bumper repainted. Freshly painted. It was a little scuffed up, so we had to take care of that.
Hey Lonnie!
Hey man,
Hey man!
hey, what you doing?
Hey man, I appreciate you coming in and knocking this thing out for us. It's looking fresh, man. Look at this
Damn
thing.
right, it's looking fresh. I'm doing.
Daggone right. Well, I ain't gonna hold you up. I'm just gonna video you for a second.
All right, man. Do what you want. Get my good side. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We're gonna go shoot the MR2 right now and the black GTST. Are you driving, Dan? Or
I think I'm driving the MR2. I don't know who's driving the GTST. That roll cage is
tight?
It hurts my fingies.
Yeah, so we're gonna go shoot. I'm loading up the murder full of equipment. We gotta pull the car out. Yeah, the murder. Not sure on location just yet. We're just gonna go somewhere local and kill it as always. So.
All right, just setting up to shoot the beauties we just shot. So this is my first time ever driving an MR2, and I'm in love with this thing. It's super quick. It's really agile, and it turns in so hard, and just it's got all the torque to pull you out because the turbo comes on really early, but it pulls all the way through too. So it's a fun car to drive, man. This is definitely a driver's car. There's no like frills or fancies on the interior. It's super clean, but the best thing is that the turbo is right behind your back, and it makes all the right noises all the time while you're driving it. It's a great car. I love it. And now I want an MR2. I'm gonna sell my house to buy a couple cars.
Hey, just remember you can sleep in a car, but you can't drive a house.
That's true.
Yeah. All right, video number 1 is completed. The MR2 is tucked safely away back inside. And we are about to shoot a video on this beautiful thing. We're gonna go ahead and get audio on the way to the shot to shoot some beauties.
Yeah.
It's like a day of videos, Tevin.
It is, man.
Yo,
I'm
you
loving
got your
it.
little troll microphone.
I was about to say that, man.
Yeah, you
it's
got
like a
your
little troll.
Yeah.
Look at that. You gotta comb it out sometimes, get it nice and right. It's called a dead kitten. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, well, hold on, man. Don't blow my face off.
Yeah, you're gonna have to probably turn it down a bit.
Yeah, a lot.
This is a bit louder than the MR2 was.
Input level, super low. I typically like to put the mic on furthest away from the exhaust if it's loud. Hey, can you rev it so I can see how loud this really is? So I'll probably end up putting this one here since it's not a GTR, it's not as loud. Want to pull it a little bit. The suction is pretty good. I mean, if you have like janky tail lights, I advise you not to pull this because you'll probably pull them out. Seriously. All right, Dan. Ready? Fire it up. What? Hold on. Try it again. All right.
Okay.
That's it, yeah. That's it. Just gotta test it out a little bit, make sure you don't clip. Because if you clip, it starts popping or whatever. So. Yeah, so we should be good.
Not like the good pop.
No, not a good pop. I'm gonna get one car, I'm gonna get like some, maybe some shifting, some gauges. Do we have any, we got turbo? Boost gauge stuff?
Nope.
No?
Nope, just
All
water
right.
temp and
All
oil
right.
temp.
All right, that's cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna get some in-car stuff, you know, give it a little feel. Like you're in here, driving, fast. We're riding!
Let's
All
go film another video today.
Yeah. Video number 2.
Let's do it.
GPS is gonna lead the way.
Out here on location, filming the second car. Tevin about to do his thing, doing a little something for the gram, you know.
Yes, sir.
We got a pretty good spot. It's got some nice mountains in the background. You know what I'm saying? It's good. It's real good, right, Tev? Gonna do the thing.
Yep. Gonna kill it.
What do you think about driving this one, Dan?
I love driving this car, man. I mean, it's a Skyline, so it handles ridiculously. It's got the HKS turbo. What is it, 2530?
Yeah.
You guys wanna like let me film? Yeah.
No, you can. We are filming.
We're filming.
We're filming.
Don't trying to do like
So
an
it's got like.
Hey, Dan, do you want to go over here to the shade
Yeah,
and
let's go
continue
to the
this?
shade.
Oh, okay. Just
Sucks to
let me burn up
suck.
out here.
Sucks to suck.
But no, it's 2530 HKS turbo. So it sounds like it's got that really good, you know, that flutter, that like chirp flutter.
Yeah.
But no, I love it. Turbo comes on real hard, but it's also manageable. It doesn't feel like it's going to get away from you. So it comes on at like 3,500, you know, 3,300.
Yeah, that's pretty standard.
Yeah. Man, I like it. I don't know. I just can't keep driving these cars because I'm sitting here thinking, man, if I mortgage my house out.
How many mortgages are you allowed to take out?
I don't know. We're going to find out. Oh, he's no sneaky. Say hi, Dad. So we filmed 2 cars this morning.
Music's probably too loud, so just keep
Yeah.
talking. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
we had a
Music's
good
really
time.
loud in the back.
Yeah,
They jamming.
We did good. We're gonna just wipe these things off now, get the dust off them, and come buy them. I
Yeah.
don't know what else to say, really.
Come buy these things.
Open them.
It was fun. I'm not gonna lie. It was nice. It was really fun to do some spirited driving.
Yeah. Well, it's pretty
A
cool.
couple of those shots. Yeah.
We actually have 6 cars for sale right now.
We actually wait that aren't already sold.
Right. Yeah.
We have 6 cars. Look, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
And the Joy Pop.
and the Joy Pop.
Yeah.
So you always say we never have cars for sale. We never have anything. You always get mad at us. Got cars. Can't get mad now. Got plenty of them for you, baby. Got plenty of cars. So come buy them. I mean, why not?
Yeah, buy them.
Buy them. Just buy them. Like what's stopping you? You could go out and buy an $11,000 Camry, or
Right.
you could buy.
Why would you not buy one of these instead?
You know what I mean? Like. And we got the Silver SEMA, so we got 7 cars.
Yeah, 7 cars.
Boy. Yo, that's nuts.
It's stacked.
Stacked up.
About it.
Yeah.